Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shrink socks easily. And this will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you have a pair of socks, I just got a pair of socks for my sock drawer right now. If you have a pair of socks like these and you want to shrink them, this is the video for you. Really easy to do. I do recommend that you do this with multiple pairs at once because you are going to be using a full cycle on your washer and dryer. So just in the terms of like energy savings, you might as well do like a full load of socks that you want to shrink at one time, or a full load of clothing that you want to shrink at once. Okay, anyways, very easy to do. Essentially, all materials react differently to different heat settings on a washer and dryer, but most of the materials that socks are made from are going to react in this way. So this will work for the most part. Not with every pair of socks in the entire world, but for the most part. You're going to take your pair of socks, you're going to put them in your washer. You're going to run the longest cycle on the hottest water setting that is available on that washer. You're going to wash them with the hottest water, okay, for the longest cycle. Once they're done, you're going to immediately take them out of that washer. You're going to place them in the dryer. I'm here in my laundry room, that's why I'm pointing here. I have my washer and my dryer. You're going to place them in your dryer. Once again, on the longest run time in the dryer for the hottest air setting that you have available on the dryer. Once they're done in the dryer, you're going to take them out immediately, and they should be shrunk, okay? Now, every pair of socks, every material is going to have a maximum shrinkage effect. So that means that if you are not happy with how much they've shrunk after you've done this, if they've shrunk a good amount, but you're not happy with it, that's basically as much as they're going to shrink. If you do the same thing again, they're not really going to shrink more. The material has shrunk as much as it can shrink, okay? That is the basic idea. If you want to try to shrink them a little bit more, what you can do is just spray them with a mist. Okay, spray them with a mist so they're barely damp, and then iron them with a clothing iron. And that has a chance of shrinking them a little bit more because the clothing iron is going to be hotter than your dryer setting. However, that's a slim chance and you're only going to get a little bit more shrinkage. But that's basically it. If your socks are too big and you want to shrink them down, that's how to do it. Really easy and straightforward. Wanted to keep this video short and sweet. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.